Hi, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to be part of the Creators Helping Creators series that I'm making right now. This is a very specific video, has just a single topic, how to establish your PayPal.me profile. All right, so the first things first, you have to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, this isn't going to be very much help to you until you establish a PayPal account. So once you have a PayPal account, these are the steps you do if you haven't already done so to establish the PayPal.me profile that you can use to ask people, to make a donation to the cause, right? Help you out, throw a few coins in your hat, whatever. Let's go right to it. Go to paypal.com, log into your account. You may or may not see a splash, what's called a splash screen, where they're advertising a service or a product that PayPal has or whatever. You can just skip that and go to your summary page. So once you're in your account, the first thing you're going to see, it takes up your whole screen, is a summary page. Up along the top corner, you're going to see a PayPal logo. That's the dark blue and lighter blue PayPal logo, the double P. Then you'll see the word summary, then money. Click on money, all right? So the screen will change at that point, and the very main section of the top part of your screen will say money. It'll have a couple of options underneath that. One is transfer money, but the second one says send or request money. PayPal.me is all about requesting money, so click on Send or Request Money. Click on that. The next screen that you're going to see is going to have two sections. On the top is going to be Send Money. We're requesting money, so the bottom part of the screen is Request Money. Now there's 6 squares on this, and the very bottom right-hand corner here of your screen, you'll see Manage Your PayPal.me Profile. I don't know if it says that exactly. If you haven't already established it, it might say establish, or something like that, or set up or something like that nature. But it might be it might say the very same thing. It might say manage your PayPal.me profile. Click on that block, and you can click anywhere within that whole block. You don't have to click on the logo or anything. All right. So once you click on that, it's going to go to the manage your profile section. Now mine's already established, so there's nothing more for me to see there. But what it's going to do, it's going to ask you to set up your profile by having your username or whatever it is, whatever name. If your name's available, that's fine, you're done. If your name's not available, it will offer you some suggestions. Ray Hayden, oddly enough, was taken by somebody else, I would assume, named Ray Hayden. But Ray Hayden VDO1, that's the name of my company, Raymond Scott Hayden Doing Business as Video 1, and that's a mouthful. But you'll see my PayPal.me profile below. That is a link that is what's established with your profile. So I can copy my link and put it in, below this video. In the description below this particular video, you'll see my PayPal.me link. That's what we're setting up. And what it is a link to set up your PayPal account to accept donations from people. Now, the reason why this is better than what I previously did is I took, you can request money from somebody, for goods and services and stuff like that if you're a business, and they can make a payment to you. And then you send them the goods or provide the service, whatever it is, as a business, right? So because I had that available to me as a business, I set up a donation button and put it on my websites and was using that. PayPal.me is a better tool than what I was doing. They get the same thing done because PayPal is going to take a little piece of the pie. They're going to put the rest of the money in your PayPal account, which you can have sent to you, transferred to your bank account, whatever it is, however you want to get that done. But, that's just a really neat thing that I wanted to discuss with you because somebody had asked, hey, Ray, I have a PayPal account already. How do I set up or how do I establish my PayPal.me profile? So that's how you do it. You click on money from the summary page. You click on send or request money. And then underneath the request money, click on, in the bottom right-hand corner, click on manage your PayPal.me profile. Follow the instructions in there. If your name's available, then use it. If not, go with the suggestions or think of something else that might be available until you'll find something that you like. Try to make it professional. I would strongly advise. Mine is, as you'll see below, my company name. So with that, that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. That is how you establish the PayPal.me profile in PayPal. Now, stay tuned for the next video. Come back and watch the next video in the series. I'm going to talk about, let's talk about money a little bit deeper into different things and talking about some important concepts with that, with YouTube, with money that is going to go through YouTube rather than PayPal, all right? The most important thing about this particular option, this bonus benefit that's available to us is you don't need any subscribers to have paypal.me. PayPal has nothing to do with YouTube except somebody clicks a link under your YouTube video and they can send you money. But from 0 subscribers, as soon as we set up our account and we're a creator and we intend on growing our channel, we're Graphite. As soon as you hit the 4K, 1K, or as soon as you hit the 1,000 subscribers, you become Opal, all right? And then you get further up there to 10,000, you become Bronze, all right? And then you hit Silver and Gold where you get the awards if they so want to give them to us. But you need to hit certain subscriber levels to get those, the benefits, whatever benefits are available at different stages. But for PayPal.me, as a brand new YouTube creator, you can partake in this. Now, I want to give you the caveat here is I don't know if this is available all over the world or if it's only available in the United States. I'm in the United States. My business is in the United States or established in the state of Florida, United States. And that's pretty much where it's going to be, pretty much for the rest of my life. So it works here. All right. So if it works everywhere else in the world, or if you're in another country where PayPal is established and where you can use that, by all means, make comments below. And with that, don't forget, give me a big thumbs up down there. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and continue to watch my videos and check out the series on Creators Helping Creators. That's what this video is part of. And look forward to the next video, which is going to be Let's Talk About Money. All right. So until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.